Hello friends, welcome back to Mina's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make khajoor. It's basically an Afghan fried cookies. So first I'm going to show you what we need for this. We need 2 eggs. We need sugar, cardamom, vanilla, baking powder, and all-purpose flour, milk, and oil. First we are going to crack 2 eggs here. I'm going to put half a cup of oil here, a teaspoon of cardamom, then I'm going to add a tablespoon of baking powder here, a tablespoon of vanilla. I'm going to add a cup of warm milk here, half a tablespoon of yeast here. And now I'm going to put 1 cup of sugar. You have to mix that to melt all the sugar. Then I'm going to add 4 cups of flour. That's enough now. If it's too sticky or too soft, you can add a little bit more, otherwise it will be okay. After I beat it with a spatula, then I using my hand and make it a dough. If it's stick in your hand, you can put a little bit oil in your hand. It doesn't stick in your hand. Make a dough like this. It should be hard like that. And now we're going to leave it for 1 hour. Put a little bit oil on the top and leave it for an hour. Now I'm going to show you how to make the khajoor. I'm going to take some and make it small ball. It should be all even in one sizes, but if it's smaller or bigger, it's not a big problem. When you make it a ball, it's not completely like a ball. It should be like an oval shape, like this. You make it like that, and then we're gonna shape it in this one or anything you have. We made all the khajoor like this here. You see it's oval shape. Now I'm gonna make it, give them a shape in a cheese grater or something like this. You can press on that. You can press it hard and turn it like this. See, inside should be open. Or you can use like this or anything you have inside the house to give them a shape. Okay, depending on what you are pressing on, it looks different shape you have, like this. See? You do all of them like this. First you do it like this, then you have to press it and roll it. See? Now we are going to fry the khajoor. I put oil here. It should be not too hot because it's burned from outside and the inside will be raw. So now this is the temperature is good. It's medium. Move it slowly. Do not break them. When it's golden brown, you're gonna take it out. And now it's done. I'm gonna take them. Now my khajoor is done. At the end, if you want a little bit extra sweetness, you can put a little bit icing sugar on the top for the sweetness. And then I'm gonna add a little bit pistachios. This is optional. I like pistachio. I put a little bit ground pistachio on the top. If you want, you can do it. If not, you can skip that part. This is how I made my Afghani khajoor. I hope you guys like it and try it at home. So please do not forget to like my video, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram. See you till next video.
Have a good day.
Have a good day.
Bang. Hold on, am I recording? Focus چطور میشه? How does it focus? I don't know how to focus. It's not focusing. من یادم رفت کدامش فوکس است. 3, go.
One you can add little bit.
With cheese.